What's up guys, welcome to door number 18 of the finance calendar, where we dive into 24 financial ratios in 24 days. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the ratios, and let's go! Today we are going to talk about the capital turnover ratio, also known as the equity turnover ratio. It tells us how efficiently the management uses equity to generate sales. It is calculated by dividing the annual net sales by the stockholders' equity. Let's take a look at an example. The net sales can be found from the income statement and the stockholders' equity can be found from the balance sheet. In this example, I am going to calculate Intel's 2020 capital turnover ratio, but you can also use the trailing 12 months for the calculations and the average stockholders' equity of the reporting period. Intel's 2020 net sales were $77.87 billion. The 2020 stockholders' equity was $81.04 billion. This means that Intel's 2020 capital turnover ratio is 0.96. So what does this tell us? The higher the ratio is, the more efficiently the company is using the invested capital to generate sales. And the lower the ratio is, the more inefficiently the company is managing its capital investments to generate sales. Intel's capital turnover ratio of 0.96 means that the company is making 96 cents of sales for every $1 of stockholders' equity. You can of course use the ratio to compare different companies in a similar industry. However, you should note that there are a few problems with the capital ratio. If a company is using a lot of debt, their shareholders' equity might be lower. Lower shareholders' equity makes the capital ratio higher, but the company might be riskier. The ratio also only focuses on sales, not on profits. While company A has a lot better capital turnover ratio, it can still make losses every year, while company B is making profits. Remember to use all the available information and ratios when making investment decisions. That's it for today's financial ratio. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe so you don't miss the future ratios. Have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!